to another episode of Mark II Golf Stories. Today I'm off to Tatton VW Show. I was going to take the Golf, but the day before the MOT, the ISV valve packed up. So, I'm not going in that. Instead, I'm going to go in the Cupra. So let's go and look at some sweet Mark II Golfs, eh? Let's go. Hey mate. Okay, here we are. Let's find some sweet ass Mark II Golfs. There's some sweet cars around anyway. If you're interested in seeing some cars that are Mark II Golfs and Golfs, check out my sister channel, Not Mark II Golf Stories, link down in the description below. Yes, G60, who doesn't love a G60, eh? Wow, look at this. Very original, very tidy. Nice. Next year, boys and girls, next year I'll have my Golf here. Whoa, look at this. Okay, mate, it's yours, mate. Okay, I'm here with Paul. He's one of the... It's Paul, isn't it?
It is.
I'm here with Paul. He's one of the organisers of Tatton VW Show. And here we are, Paul.
On this glorious question mark day.
Yeah. So, well, it's not raining too much.
It rained, I can tell you, from 7 o'clock till 10:30 this morning and beyond.
I got here a bit later.
But it's sunny now, so we can't.
Thanks for having us.
That's no problem.
How long's Tatton been going on then? How long have you been doing this?
39 years.
39 years.
And we've only missed 1 year for the obvious.
Yeah. Has it grown much in size over those 30 years?
Yeah, when we first started the show here, we used about half of this space.
Wow.
And simply because that's all that was required. But we now have ventured onto the other side of the road, simply because it's got bigger and bigger.
Yeah. How many cars do you think you have here on show?
Club displays would total something like 500 because we've got 50 clubs displaying. It's not my area, but the concourse area probably got about 400 or 500.
Wow.
And I think by the time you top up with what traders might have, you must be up to about 1,000 cars.
That's incredible. It's all walks of VWs. It's not, you're not specialising in one brand.
It's
everything.
Anything Volkswagen, Audi group, Skoda included, and the Porsche.
Some quite nice Quattros up there.
Oh, some nice Quattros up there indeed,
Yeah. Do you know how many people you have over, I'll say the weekend, over Sunday, come to view, roughly?
I think I heard Julianne say yesterday that it was last year was 10,000 visitors.
Wow, that's incredible. Yeah.
Unless the taxman's listening.
1,000 visitors. Yeah, so it's probably one of the biggest shows. Well, it's probably the biggest show in the Northwest, isn't it?
It's certainly the big, without shadow of a doubt. Yeah. And other shows are all slightly different. So Stamford Hall, for example, concentrates on historic VW stuff, and certainly nothing as new as that over there. Yeah. But more like this here.
Yeah, this is your car.
This is my car, 1969 Carmen Beetle Cabriolet.
Yeah.
Brought over from California about 4 years ago, I think. It was destined for the scrapyard. It had been parked up in the garden for 25 years.
Wow.
But luckily the scrapyard wouldn't agree to break it and said it was too good.
Incredible.
And it came to England and it was sympathetically restored, recommissioned, the engine rebuilt, new running gear, Porsche wheels, and a new hood. But everything else on it is original from 56 years ago.
That's the difference between a car living in California climate and a car living in English climate, isn't it?
It's rust free. What was done to it was lacquered top and bottom to prevent it from getting any worse in this wonderful wet weather we have here.
Yeah, and this is all original paint, you said, as well. So
it's mostly original paint. There's been a few repairs here and there, but only just to make it a little bit prettier.
It's very nice. Once again, thanks for having us. Thanks for the chat, and
pleasure.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Will do. Thank you. MK2 Golfs is the place to be. Sorry.
Whilst I was doing it, can you have a shoot it?
Really, bastard, what are you doing? Okay, well that's been Tatton VW Show. Spotted this absolute beauty on the way out. If you enjoyed this, drop a like, click on subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in another video again soon. Bye bye.